Ito yung view from our room.
Hello, hello! Good morning from Laura Brannan. Imagine waking up to this view. It's Tobak Falls right outside our window. Literal main character ang energy.
Beautiful talaga.
We took a slow morning just breathing it all in. This valley is known as one of the most beautiful in the world, and being here, you will understand why. It's peaceful, magical, like a real-life painting. We headed down for breakfast, which came with a view too. If you're staying in Lotharbrannan, choose accommodation with Istabak facing balcony. It's so worth it.
Okay, good morning, baby. And this is the view. Ayaw na namin umuwi. Wow! Pwede ba? Ano yung kanta, baby? Ano yung kanta na ano? Galing talaga ng hanip eh. Hotel's Tobak breakfast. Look at the egg. Rainbow. Hard-boiled egg. Ito yung tinapay sa Heidi yan. Of course, croissant. What's the similarity of Istobak Falls and me?
I know.
What?
They both fallen for me. Ang bagay ng isa.
Tingnan niyo yung falls there. 1. Falls there. 2. 2. And 3. And this is the mother.
Ay, what's that? I know. May Swiss tunay na baka. Ay, oo nga. Tama ka. Tama ka. Tama ka. Tama ka.
But beyond the mystery, today was pure Swiss magic. Waterfalls, boat rides to finding Captain Chris piano spot, foggy mountains and cheese fondue. Let's go!
Good morning, guys. Ayun, we will start our day.
Actually, tanghali na, guys.
Oo nga, day 7. Day 7 na pala natin. So, late na kami nakalabas kasi ang ganda talaga ng room. 12 past 12 na. Ayun yung clock. Oh. So, ngayon lang kami nakalabas kasi sobrang ganda ng room. Actually, ayaw na nga namin lumabas. So, ayan yung room, ayan yung hotel na, ayan yung nabook naming hotel. Ang pangalan niyan, Hotel Istobak. We will have a review for our stay here. So, ang nice ng mga tao dito sa Switzerland. And, yeah, we highly recommend that. So far, 2 nights kami dito. May 1 night pa kami tonight. Look, yung view niyan ng hotel namin. Grabe, sobrang ganda. So, ngayon. Okay, sige.
Tayo sa simbahan, guys.
Okay.
So, we encourage you guys to visit. It is
Yes.
a must. I'd suggest ko din mag-concentrate kayo sa Switzerland. Ang dami pwedeng ma-explore.
At saka, sobrang sarap ng feeling, ang tawag dito. Hindi kasi namin ma-explain eh. It's for you to find out, guys. It's for you.
Magical,
Oo,
nakakailang.
Kayo na yung maghusga. Sobrang,
Amazing siya talaga.
ayaw na namin umuwi. Tignan nyo naman. Nandito pa lang kami yun sa hotel namin. Hindi pa kami lumalayo.
Ito nga pala yung simbahan. Gusto ba ko?
Grabe. Grabe. Sobrang worth it to.
Perfect yung location ng ano talaga.
Ng hotel natin, oo.
Ano siya, perfect.
Oo. Although, it's medyo pricey, pero worth it talaga. Worth it talaga siya. For me, priceless. Priceless yung nabibigay na yung feeling.
Sige na guys, ito na yung
Yung healing.
Thanksgiving na
Ah,
ito yung ating
ayan.
simbahan.
Ah.
Tulog na tulog yan.
So,
Ganda
ito
ng
yung
view,
town ng
sarap niya.
Lauterbrunnen. Sige, mag-pray lang kami saglit and then we start our tour na.
Malaking bato
Oo, ayan siya.
na may falls. Plano namin kumuha ng tubig dyan mamaya. So, ayun yung goal. May dala kaming empty water bottle. Tapos, mag-iigib tayo dyan, tapos iinumin natin. Kasi parang talaga siyang magical water. No?
Oo, kasi yung tap water nila napakasarap eh.
Puno ng minerals, puno ng bato yung tubig. Tingnan natin kung gano'n crystal clear yung water nila.
Before exploring, we passed by this little church and said a quiet prayer for gratitude.
We just had our prayers. Napakasuling, sarap. How was it, baby? Halika, dito tayo. Siguro ano to, no? Sakura ba to? Hindi. Ano to? Kampana. Napakaganda naman talaga. Love you, baby.
Next stop, up close is the Bach Falls, one of the tallest free-falling waterfalls in Europe. And yes, we found a local drinking fountain nearby.
Mag-give kami dito.
Ito ng Evian water.
Ano masasabi mo sa Switzerland?
Speechless. Grabe, magical.
Anong kanta mo sa Switzerland?
Huwag mo na tayong umuwi ay mundo'y tahimik. Picturesque. Kahit sa ang angle, kahit sa ang hotel ka, maganda talaga.
Dito ka, baby. Refresh.
Laban na laban. Hindi naman namin pinipush yung Swak Hotel, no? So,
Oo.
kahit saan. Kasi,
Ah,
may kanya-kanya silang in-offer na beauty.
yeah.
Saka, every angle. Ikaw,
So,
kahit sa hotel kayo mag-stay. Oo, lakad-lakad ka.
tingnan niyo yung train station dito sa Lauterbrunnen. Lauterbrunnen.
Let's
Then we made our way to Interlaken, where we hopped on a free boat ride across Lake Breens, covered by our Ural Pass.
Doon sa unahan, wala na mga araw.
It's such a chill way to see the turquoise lake and mountain views. Our destination, the dreamy lakeside village of Iselwald, made famous by crash landing on new fans as Captain Reed's piano spot.
tayo sa Fraser.
So guys, this is the Lake Brains Cruise. So, ang lamig.
Grabe, mahal lang ang
First stop nito is yung, anong station yung first stop? Morning something get. Tapos yung second stop yung Isetwal. Yung nandun yung crash landing yung na pier. So, ayun, pag may rail pass kayo, leave nyo lang.
So beautiful and
So cold.
so cooling. Alam mo yung nag-toothbrush ka ng pinapagin, ganun yung feeling.
Ano, tinutbrush mo yung buong katawan, gana?
Alam mo minty yung feeling. Cool ka ba?
Grabe, sobrang ganda. Tignan nyo naman.
Oh, dyan mo na yun.
Yes, guys. We reached Iseltwal. Yeah. Ay, sorry. Look, this is Iseltwal. And we're going to... There! What's that? What's that, babe? Ano ba? The... Clot. Ay, Cloy. Clot. Blood clot lang yun. Crash landing on you. Yan. Diyan daw nagpiano si Captain Ray. Eh. Eh, sinakyan. Ito, 360 lang tayo ng Isetwal. Tapos ayun yung pier. That's the infamous pier because of the Korean series Crash Landing on You. Hindi namin yun napanood. Nalaman lang namin yun sa sa pagpa-plan. Alam niyo ba may bayad yan? 5 francs.
Wala.
Meron. Ayun o. May pila nga eh.
We also tried another drinking fountain here.
Yun ang pinunta namin din. Mag-igib lang ba? Igib lang si sir dito sa world.
Hindi na kami nag-picture dun sa... Wait lang, tingnan ko muna kung naka-record.
Pinaubayan na namin yung pagpipicture
Yan. Kasi si ate, mukhang ayaw na yata umalis dun sa platform. Kaya mauubos na yung oras natin dito sa Isetwal. Kaya umalis na lang kami. Let go na namin yung platform na yun. Doon na lang kami sa gilid ng picture.
Ngayon, explore lang natin itong
Yeah.
kabahayan dito
Sa Isetwal.
sa tao.
Yan, dito muna
Parang
tayo.
laruan ng mga bahay nila. Alam mo yun?
Mm-mm.
Yung mga barn.
Grabe yun si ate. Shout out sa'yo, te. Buti na lang.
Ganito yung view natin.
Nakapag-picture tayo sa gilid.
Ganito, honey, ang view ko. Kaya tayo doon sa may paso. Ito na photo natin.
Okay, this is the town of Isetwal. Ano, payag ba kayo tumira dito?
Ano, ipainin ko dito ah.
Tingnan niyo.
Training.
May ice cream. Kaya try namin bumili dito. Ng mga kukut-kut. Sa sari-sari store ng Isetwal. Ay, honey. Merci. Ito gusto ko chichirya. Gusto ko naman ng ng unhealthy kasi puro healthy pagkain dito sa Europe eh. Puro tinapay, ganyan. Lind. Kano kaya ang lind dito? Uy, 17 pa yung 80 franc. Mahal din, ano? Kapresyo din sa... Ay, hindi. Mas mahal. Parang mas mura pa sa Singapore. Ba't ganon? Dahil ba, ano to, tourist? Tinapay lang yan, ganyan. Honey, oh. Meron na ba tayong ano?
So guys, ito yung nabili namin dyan sa shop na yan. Nasa store. So,
Try namin
naantay kasi namin yung, ano no, yung ferry. So, $2.60. Franc. 2.60.
Ito din. 2.60 bucks.
So, 2 something din ko eh.
2.95.
295. Kasi nagkagutuman na ang mga turista at meron kaming libreng tubig, alam mo naman.
Unli water dito. Ayun, natingnan na. 1, 2, 3. Unli tubig yan. Pero masarap talaga yan. As in Evian water. Oops. Yan.
Apple pie!
Ayaw mabukas. Kasi nasira ko. Ayaw maano nagaglat. Pantong. Ang sarap pantong.
Ano sa loob?
Ito na. Parang parang naman chocolate.
Tikman mo, ang sarap.
Maoras kong ano.
Hilig sila sa mga pastry, no?
Nasarap na yun naman. Sarap.
Hazelnut yung lasa.
Next na pupunta natin, harder ko. Kakain tayo dun ng teaspoon. Try natin yung pumus na just kung bili ko kasi
Tingin ka dun sa may bahay. Tapos makikita mo si Lola nasa window. Parang ang ginagawa na nanahe.
parang natin pakawa. Iba. Masarap yung chips na nabili namin. Natural daw. Vegan friendly. Vegan friendly lang. Matapos dyan yung nag-video ka
Ano lang? Kaya?
Matapos video lang. Final. Alam niyo, kung sa ngayon, pag napapanood yung vlog na to at nagsisecond thought kayo na pumunta dito, pumunta na kayo kasi napakaganda talaga. And yung feeling, no? Yung feeling na mai-invest nyo sa core memory nyo with your heart, with your loved ones, with your kung sino man yung kasama nyo. The best yun. The best yun, priceless yun. Diba? Iba yung saya na mabibigay. And priceless talaga siya. Tsaka therapeutic. Kaya guys, nung una, ganito lang din kami. Nanonood kami ng vlog ng mga kung sino-sino nagpunta ng Europe. Kaya nandito na kami. Kaya next, kayo na ang nandito. Diba na? Yeah. So lamig. Kaya, when that happens, we're happy for you. Yay! Okay, now, we are leaving Iseldoor and going back to Manila. Ay, hindi pala. We're going back to
Where?
Interlaken.
Interlaken.
And then from there, this will go to our next stop, which is
Istabang.
Malimalit si girl ah. Yeah, malimalit si girl. Napag-halata.
Pagkahaltang walang alam sa ano ah.
We go to Harderkung. So we'll see Sana maabutan pa natin sila. Ikat pa. Kasi baka nag-close na yung ticketing. Pero tignan natin. Napakaganda, no? Ganyan talaga yung color ng water sa totoong buhay, guys. Napakalinaw niyan. Tapos yung taas is...
Guys, hindi talaga yun makikita ng actual sa ano namin. Kailangan yung makita with your naked eyes.
Yes. Nakaiba kasi. Nakaiba yung ganda. And once again,
Maganda siya sa personal.
dati, pinapanood lang din namin to. Ngayon, nandito na kami, kaya kayo din. Sa susunod, kayo naman yung nandito. Gana.
Yeah.
Claim nyo na yan! Yay! Tapos mag-pray tayo. Where are you? Lovag na rin to si Iti. Hello, baby. That's right. Saan yung mga classmate natin? May tumawid kasi na train kaya nagintayin sila. Hello. It's so cool. Yeah, it's good. Ay, ang tangkad ko. Abot ko yung ceiling, oh. Hello. Hello. Tangkad.
Let's get cold. It's getting colder and colder and colder.
Sarap, baby. Ayun yung bridge kanina.
After soaking up Iselwald, we headed back to Interlaken. Lots of picture taking, of course. Every corner was postcard worthy.
It's Interlaken. Yes. Okay. That's the Interlaken Ost. Over there. Dun yung ferry. Ito si Honey. And there's the harder thing. Nice. Malaki ng tulips. Honey, tulips for you.
Barakat. Hayır azarış.
Beautiful!
Yes.
Sa likod lang namin ako. Ayun o. Tapos ang ganda ng lake. Tama daw yung lake sa likod.
There.
Grabe.
Ayan, dyan next. Beautiful. This is the Interlaken.
Ano ba yung lake?
Oh. Doon tayo kasi dahil ito na sasakyan. Kaya nga, ito na yung harder room.
Hindi mo lang.
So, let's see if open pa sila or may ticketing pa na open. Although mag-uulan daw ng 7 p.m. Ay, let's see. Let's just see what we can experience there. Ayun. Ay, Han, ito ang meron sa taas. Ito. Okay. What?
Only 10 minutes to the top view. So, this is the goal. See?
Okay.
Let's go na. Let's go, hurry.
Guess with a valid ticket. Without, yes. Sana hindi mo lan. Let's go. Dito tayo sa pinakataas. Para ma-video ko. Uy, careful. Ay, careful na dyan. Umabot kami na yan. Han. Abot tayo. Yeah, we're going there.
On the right side, there's an animal park. You might see some ibex, some mountain goats there too.
Ay, bet. Wow.
Welcome to the Hardau Railway, top of Interlaken. Opened in 1908, the Hardau Railway takes you up to 1,322 meters above sea level in 8 minutes, mastering a gradient of 64%. We wish you an enjoyable stay and recommend a visit to the restaurant, Sun Terrace and Vantage Platform.
Ay, napapasok pa tayo sa ano.
مرحبا بكم في قطار هاردا من انطلاقا الذي تم افتتاحه عام 1901.
Wow!
ثماني دقائق على انحدار يبلغ 64% إلى علو 1322 متر.
Diba? Oh, it's really high.
Yeah, that's just a middle now.
What?
In the middle, we're gonna meet the other one, which comes down. That one is pulling us upward. Their weight.
Oh, that's cool.
Pulley system.
Oh, amazing. Interesting. Yeah.
Only one kilo. With a pulley, yeah. And the other one is pulling us forward.
Nice, nice, nice. Amazing. The sustainability na. Oh,
Tagalog.
Yes,
Yes.
po. Sabi ko ni si Sir Toma.
Bisaya, Bisaya.
Wow! Pag ano pa lang, Sir, si Sir.
I just had some a family from the Philippines just right before. So many from the Philippines.
really?
It's our first time here.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to wait. You stay here until Saturday because the weather will be nice there.
Saturday.
What do we have? It's nice to meet si Sir.
Can we include you in
Enjoy
our...
your vacation. Have a good time.
Thank you so much.
You know what? Ating
Yeah.
driver ng ano.
Bless you.
It's so amazing.
Like in heaven.
Oh, so this is the top.
On the left side, you can see then the restaurant and the platform.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, bro.
Welcome. Have a good time. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, the exit will be here on the right side.
Yeah, thank you. Grabe. Wow. This is top of Interlaken. Uy, yung favorite ni Honey Fag. Ay, nice. Sobrang ganda. Han, uulit. Nandito na kami sa taas ng Harder Cone. So, after nung parang, ano tawag doon? Train funicular. Inakyat kami dito. Tapos yun, walk lang ng siguro mga 3 minutes. Tapos, ito na yung restaurant and yung viewing deck. Grabe. Look how high is this. 1,323.
Then we went up to Hardercombe, Interlaken's famous viewpoint. But plot twist, it was super foggy. We could barely see anything at first, but God gave us just one perfect minute where the clouds cleared and we got this photo. Grabe, ang surreal ng moment na to.
Thank you, Lord.
We pay 39 francs for both of me and my honey. both of us because round trip na yun and that's 50% off because we have Libre. Foggy na kasi hinapon na kami. Ay, super foggy na siya. Ay, grabe, sobrang ganda oh.
Sobrang kapal nung ano.
Sobrang ganda. Dito tayo sa likod.
Ay, ito pre, sinabi ni Kuya, it's like heaven na daw. Ay, mo na ito. Tinan mo yung itsura. Yung appearance, parang heaven na. Parang heaven nga naman. Sa heaven. Benan. Guys, it's a breathtaking view. Nasa heaven. Tapos itong makikita nyo, yan, kanina pa yun dyan. Siguro mga kahapon pa sila dyan. Yan. Nasulit guys. Ito, mga lake view. Yan, kailangan mo i-memorize sa kabilang side. Lake, oh my God, so beautiful.
Hanggang dun pa yan oh, hanggang dun pa yan sa
At
dulo.
napaka-foggy, para kang nasa heaven guys. Pag makita mo yun.
Yes, and it's so lamig.
So lamig guys, nagra-runny nose na kami dito.
Kaya na ba yung sipon ko? Okay, now we're gonna eat the cheese fondue. Sana meron pa. Tapos after that, siguro bababa na kami kasi lobot na yung mga
Gadgets
telepono
natin.
namin. Tsaka itong camera. So, yun.
So beautiful.
So,
Masaya kami.
you should be here guys. Punta tayo dito. Worth it lahat. Hi! Okay, we eat cheese fondue first.
Okay,
Yes,
bye for
guys.
now.
And of course, we had to try authentic Swiss cheese fondue. Super cheesy, super fun.
Yan guys, tatry namin yung cheese fondue dito. Yan. Hello. Then we have spaghetti and then I have my honey. Hello. And we have this wonderful, breathtaking view of the top of Interlaken. With the bread, and then dip here. And it's very hot, so you have to cool it down first. Now, like it. There's a one. Sobrang sarap naman pala nito. How was it, Tanik?
Sobrang sarap.
Mas masarap yung potato, no? Mas masarap yung potato.
Hindi siya basta-basta cheese, pero
Sa una, parang medyo ano siya, sasabog siya. Pero sa huli, may aftertaste.
ano na rin tayo nakapizza. Ay, kasi wag mo i-dip ang buong cheese sa tinakal. Para maramdaman mo yung tamis ng bread, tsaka yung alam mo.
You guys tell me why you actually want that?
Wag mo i-dip fully. Gawin lang.
So what made you so curious about it? It's like airline miles, right? Now it's just how much you're getting. So how do you guys do
Yan, quick review ng cheese fondue. At first, mabubulat yung mouth mo sa kasi may wine siya, may wine. So, unang mo kinain, yung wine kasabog sa dito. So, hindi mo siya magugustuhan. But, as we eat it, sumasarap siya.
Lalo na sa patatas. Pero, especially,
Kasi ang first instinct when we try this, right, we will dip it on the cheese, right? So now, yun nga, di puno na cheese. Oh, di ba puno na siya ng cheese? So, kung ito cheese supper, at ito ang first bite mo, pag ito ang first bite mo, sasabog yung wine sauce. So, first time mo ito try, unti-untiin mo lang. Unti-untiin nyo lang yung pag-dip sa cheese. Hanggang sa
Familiarize ka na sa lasa.
yung ma-familiarize na yung palate yung sa taste. Kasi ang sarap niya actually. Para siyang durian. Yung durian at first hindi masarap. Pero pagka na-familiarize na yung palate niyo sa durian, masarap na yun. Sabi nung chef na tayo, manager, mekus-mekus daw yun. Mekus-mekus malaki. Actually, ay yung in-order pala namin yung may bacon. Yan, may bacon, kaya masarap to. Piso lang naman, 1 francs lang yung difference. So wala, edi mayroon ka siya.
Tomato talaga yung sauce niya. With beef kasi siya. So, bolognese. Beef sauce siya. Sarap. Pag-basa siya, hindi na sa spaghetti.
Pero yung beef na lasang-lasa niya.
Sarap. Guys, kakain mo na.
Yeah, kain mo na ako.
We caught the last trip down the mountain with the whole restaurant staff. Honestly, everyone was so friendly. The Swiss are polite and helpful, even if there's a language barrier.
Are you tired?
We ended our day back in Lauterbrunnen, and surprise! Our hotel gave us complimentary sparkling wine. Cheers to unforgettable adventures, breathtaking views, and kind strangers. Day 7 done! Lauterbrunnen, Interlaken, Iselwold, and Hardercombe. Each place felt like its own little dream. Thanks for joining us on this journey. We still can't believe we're here. Every day feels like a blessing. But wait for it! Tomorrow, we're heading to Zermatt, home of the famous Matterhorn, the real-life Toblerone mountain. We're so excited, and we got an epic train ride and snowy views coming your way. See you on our Day 8 of Europe Travel Series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the ride.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!